She thought she could outsmart Rent-A-Center with a forged lease and a fake address, walking away with a $2,000 couch set. But the paperwork didn't lie. You're about to see officers follow the trail, knock on the door, and watch the story fall apart, start to finish, on Bodycam. This is how identity theft furniture scams really work, and how they get busted.
Exactly how the scam worked. She would describe how the scammer went to extreme lengths to forge documents, all for a free couch set.
We require that they email over an awards letter or check stub, a utility bill or a lease, and their ID.
Okay.
Okay. So, we deliver the stuff to this address on Kester. There's a black man there. Not this guy, because once the guys got to look and they realized it wasn't him, but it was a guy that looked similar to him. Anyways,
okay.
So 2 days later, we deliver. The payment comes due for the very first payment. I call the guy's phone number, and this guy answered the phone, and he's flipping out like he has no idea what we're talking about. He don't even live on this side of town. Blah 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 blah. So come to find
you
out,
always go to the opposite side of town to do your stealing.
Exactly. Well, and then this is the thing. So like him and I start talking. He's like, "Look, ma'am." He's like, "I'm 40." Blah 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 blah. He's like, "I don't get Social Security." He's like, "I don't live at this address," and he like showed me on this video his address where he lives at.
Okay.
So anyways, I don't know how the hell this lady does this, but there's the awards letter. And the only reason that I caught it was because the more I got to looking into the lease, then I realized in the lease where she sent us the lease, she forgot to take her name out of there and put his name in it. This signature here, which is supposedly the Richard Jackson guy, this guy, doesn't match our delivery. Like this was when it was delivered. So she made a bogus awards letter. This is a lease, which I know you can get leases offline. Those aren't nothing. But what blows my mind is...
Is this the lease letter that she... Okay.
And you have the awards letter.
Yeah.
And then there's an AES bill, which is the electric bill.
And this guy's name?
Yeah. How the hell she did... Where the hell did the electric bill go? I mean, look. There and there. Okay, so the story gets even better yet. One of our old customers calls us, and she's like, "Hey, Jess, it's Lindsay." She's like, "I have a question for you." I was like, "Yeah." She goes, "Can you tell me if," she told me the girl's name, "if she used me as a reference to get furniture through you guys?" And I'm like, so I typed this girl's name in, and I'm like, "No." I was like, "I don't even have her as a customer." She goes, "Okay, well, she lives at this address," and then she gave me this address, and I'm like, and I just so happened was in this guy's account, and it clicked in my head. I'm like, well, that's his address. She's like, no. She goes, Jess, she's like, I guess she's known for doing identity theft. I guess she's on probation at Kettering. So the girl called me because she was flipping out because the Samantha chick had texted her a couple days ago wanting to use her as a reference. And she's like, no. So she just called me to see if she did, and I'm like, no. So Lindsay ends up going into this whole long story about this Samantha girl. She's like, and now she's trying to sell my stuff because Lindsay called me back this morning. She's like, Jess, she just tried to sell me your furniture. I'm like, she's what? She goes,
What's the total on the furniture right now?
Oh, Jesus. Okay, give me a second. I can get it.
Thought I saw.
So this is
the
cost of it, and that's how much she's paid me.
Okay.
But it was underneath his name. So when we delivered it to apartment A, which is on the left-hand side. She lives in apartment B right across here. So she had us deliver it to a vacant apartment and moved the shit over to her apartment.
Okay. Are these copies for me?
I can make copies. Actually, here, I'll just...
Yep. I need everything that you got down here.
The officer left and immediately called for backup to arrive at the apartment to confront and arrest the scammer. However, what the officers didn't know was that this wasn't going to be an easy catch.
It's a separate This isn't the actual residence, right?
No, but we can. This is just to get in the hallway, I think.
Right.
That one may be empty.
You want to just pop it?
Yeah.
I think we can reach it.
Battery low.
That works.
Look at you.
Some of us can palm strike like Richie. Not all of us.
Two.
Yep. Riverside Police, open the door.
Riverside Police, last chance. We're gonna kick your door open.
What's your radio?
You don't leave that.
Well, don't hurt your knee.
That sounds like a lot less power.
Oh, it is a lot less.
Why don't you just call an engine and have them force it?
We got the tools at the PD though, don't we? You said you heard people talking. We radio Dayton, see if we
No.
Nope, there it goes. There it is.
Yeah, we gotta go. We gotta go.
Get in here, let us know.
Alright,
Where you at? Step out with your hands up now.
Rough with me, bro. You don't gotta be rough with me, man. What the hell? Why are you guys being so rough with me, bro?
Just open the door for us.
Damn. So it doesn't mean you gotta rough me up?
Ain't nobody roughing you up.
Yeah, you're being rough.
Drop your cigarette so I don't get burned, please.
I'm not gonna drop it on my carpet.
So, anybody have an idea what to do with a large deer that's jumped into a wastewater tank?
Put your palms together like a crane.
We're closing out the fire
Stop pulling away.
I'm not pulling away, I'm big.
There you are.
I'm big.
Still negative all. How's fire department handling it?
Riverside 214.
Your right arm.
Go ahead.
Relax it.
You can cancel fire.
You are tensing up.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not tensing up. Can you stop yanking my wrist, please?
You want another set of cuffs?
What the fuck? Please, I'm big. Please, I'm big. Can you please do it? Please.
I'll do it. Come here.
Thank you.
Here.
I need my purse right here. Can you call my sister, please?
We'll handle it. Okay.
Please.
Turn around. I'll put 2 sets on you.
Can I put my shoes on?
Yep. Hold on.
They're right over there.
Can you lean over a little bit?
Nobody else is here.
Can you? There you go.
That's my daughter
I
lives
need.
here too.
Are you able to lean just a little more? There you go.
Always in the house.
They got to clear it and make sure nobody else is here.
We got search warrants.
Yeah, I know. I just kicked my door down, so I got it all recorded.
Here. I'm gonna double lock you so
Yeah.
don't tighten up.
Monday morning quarterback guy.
Yeah.
There's a couple things we could have done to get
Yeah, well,
pay
this
either.
wasn't
One
cool.
could have
This
been-
wasn't cool either.
One could have been like, hey, come here, we do it all by consent. The other could have been,
Yeah.
we have a search warrant. All right, we're going to
Okay.
get in and open the door. I appreciate it's all recorded. We've got it
Yep.
recorded.
Do you have? Where's your tennis shoes?
Right over here. The white ones under the white
grab
tennis shoes right there.
We'll grab them. Okay.
All right.
What's your soch?
They're right there. I need my door locked. I can't. Not in this neighborhood. Please.
I got you. We're gonna go right out here.
I need
I'll
my
grab it,
door
I'll grab
locked, please.
Well, they're not done.
Okay. Well, I need my door locked still.
We'll make sure it's taken care of. And I'm in uniform, so I'm not even sure what the situation is. To be honest. Here, step over here. I gotta unlock this.
I really need my door locked.
Oh, I promise. I promise you.
They're right by my TV.
You have my word. I'll handle it. Okay.
Please lock my door.
Yeah, let's let him. He's good to go. Got some questions for you. Can I talk to you?
Yeah.
Is that a yes?
Yeah.
I'm not saying this to be disrespectful, but can you read right there? What does that say?
You have the right to remain silent.
Okay. I would like to get your side of the story, but I can't force you to do that. That's up to you. It's up to you.
Okay, this guy Richard J.
Uh-huh.
We gamble together and stuff like that. And he came over one day and he wanted to, you know what I'm saying, we was trying to get him something from Rent Center. And he told me to order it, and then, as soon as they delivered it over there, he didn't answer the phone or anything, and then he calls me threatening me, saying he's going to beat me up and all this other stuff, and this was just a couple of days ago. And I got it on my phone where he called and all that stuff.
Why don't you call the police?
It's not like he knew I had it, and he came over and did it. How else would I have any of his stuff? And he did his information,
Well, you forged some documents.
I didn't forge any documents. He did those.
You took your lease agreement from here on Kester Avenue.
He did that stuff.
You left your name on a part of the document.
He did that stuff though. Okay, I might have let him, but he did that. And you can ask.
What do you mean you
let?
let? Why would you let him if it was
all
in his?
Because he said that he was trying to get the stuff to sell it.
It doesn't make it. But did you or did you not reach out to Lindsay to try to sell it yourself? Did you try to do that?
No, I did not. No, I did not.
Why would she lie about that?
I don't, because she's a lying. She doesn't even know me.
How do you think we even?
She doesn't even know me like that.
Well, you do know her.
No, she knows of me. I don't like that.
So how do you think we got to this?
Of course, she's gonna say anything she can.
She's the one who told Riverside or Rent Center that something weird was going on.
She was probably high as too. Yeah. Look at your source.
So let me tell you something that doesn't make sense. If this was all concocted by Richard, right?
It was both of us, but he knew that I was just helping him get it.
But why wouldn't he?
How else would I have his information? How else would he submitted his ID and everything?
But why wouldn't he just do it himself? Why does he need you?
Because he don't know how. He's not computer literate.
So you did know that you were ripping off Rent Center. I mean,
no, I didn't rip off nobody. I didn't rip off anybody.
But you did.
They delivered it here. Okay, They delivered it here. It's not in my name, and I didn't forge anything. That's what he did. So, that's on them.
The signature on the Rent Center agreement, we compared the two. It didn't come from him. Did you help him by signing that?
I did not sign anything.
Oh, okay.
No.
You understand your story is just ridiculous, right?
Man, this is all ridiculous.
Right, but you did. But it's ridiculous because now you're caught.
So he's allowed to call and threaten me and everything else.
Why didn't you report?
And you guys.
So why didn't you report that to
you
the
guys
police?
believe
Why
the
didn't you?
damn dope fiend?
Why didn't you report that to the
You
police?
guys believe Lindsay
Did you-
Summers a damn dope fiend?
Did you call and report that to the police?
I think
yes
I just
or no.
want to talk to my lawyer.
Okay, what's your name?
The scam failed because of one thing: receipts. Fake leases, mismatched signatures, delivery switches, each left a trail that led right back to her door. If someone ever uses your name or credit, act fast. Freeze your credit, file an FTC report, and save every document. Laws vary by state. This is educational, not legal advice.